how to mute YouTube video on your phone. For that, open any browser on your device and you need to type in the search bar youtube.com. Once you type in, you need to search for the site of YouTube, and once you open, you need to tap on three line dots at the upper right corner and open the desktop site of YouTube. Once you have done that, you need to select any video of your choice here. Once you select the video of your choice here, you need to tap on the volume button on the video itself. Here you can see that you have already muted the volume of this YouTube video. So in this way you can easily mute the YouTube video on your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.